Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is another video of Django series. It was really a big gap between videos. I really forget what I did in the last video. I don't know, thought about 5 minutes what I will do in this video. So it's really funny situation, but really guys, I'm sorry about that, but I had really so much work and just YouTube is not my priority. So that's why I just did not spend my time for it. So sorry about that, but now I came with good video. I remember the concept that I will talk about. So guys, in this video we'll talk about dynamic content. As you know, in a website we can't see any static. We see of course the static content, but the static content is just really small. Uh, I mean, can you just imagine that there is a blog and there is everything in blog is just typed statically. We have every blog that is in just in a HTML page, just static HTML page, or there is a travel agency and all the prices are just changing with HTML pages. So these are really bad things that we don't want it. So we want it dynamically changed by our database, right? We have to synchronize it with our database. But how to use even our database information in our templates? How can we access and use it? So guys, this is the video that you need. So today we are going to work on that. In the last video, guys, we created a we created a database, and we have this article database in here. And guys, it will be a really short video, by the way. I will show all the things and you will work on it after video. So now guys, if you want to use in views, you have to first import it. So we'll say from .models, as we did in the admin page, import article, right? And we'll also say I will use an index.html. We are going to say articles equals article. I will show all the select methods, by the way, all the select methods you need. Article that objects that all. Guys, this is the method you need. I mean, you will use it about million times and you will just remember it in your brain. So it's so easy, and you will get a context. You'll give a context to it, and you're saying articles. There's articles. Yeah. Now you are just given the context. Yeah, guys, that's it for selecting just all. Now we can go to our. By the way, we can run our app. Now we have it in our index.html, by the way. Okay. So now we are going to say for. We'll start to use for loop. Okay. Yeah. These are so simple things, guys. Some people just doing it excluding the video. They are just creating individual videos about that. But these are so easy, so I will not just explain the for functionality. You know, you have to know it. So just I will give the syntax you need. So this is just for article in articles, okay, and you will end the for. It's the same in the if, okay, and for. So inside of for, you can just loop over the data and do whatever you want. I'll just say h2, and I'll give the article the title, and for the p tag, paragraph tag, I'm going to give the content. Yeah, that's it, guys. So now we can open it. Yeah, as you can see, we have this pretty thing in here. By the way, we can say div, give it in a div. Sorry. Class and border. Yeah, guys, that's how you just do it. M5, P5, do it more good looking. Yeah, guys, that's how you improve your blog. That's the blog information. You're displaying blog information, and it's dynamic. If you're going to your just admin site. Okay. And inside of articles, for example, you're adding new. What am I? I am human or shoe. Okay, whatever. Now we can just do it like this. We can refresh it and see what we have in here. So, guys, in blogs, there is the static, static structure of the site. We have list view, we have detail view, and we have other, delays, edits, these kind of things. So, and in this video, we'll also add this detail view. Just don't be scared of that. Just detail view means we are creating the detailed information about a blog. So, for doing that, we will just give an a tag inside of this, and we are using the a tag as, we'll say, I don't know, just 1. Okay? No, 1. If it is like this, it means static. So we have to do it dynamic. So we are doing just article.id. Do it by ID, guys, because ID is more primary. Title can be same in, I don't know, it can be same. Maybe you are creating every, for example, Happy New Year title every year. This is so important to do it with ID. So article.id, so we can click it and we don't have anything. So, by the way, we'll go to our URLs. And we are going to create path. And we'll say just pk detail name equals detail. Yeah, guys, now we'll go here, detail request, actually just change it to detail, man. What are you doing? Right? It's a detail. So now our context, by the way, detail. So guys, if you're getting one thing for us, then we are going to say then about not be. So guys, we'll say context. I'll say article is article. I'm going to get one article, right? So now we'll do article, and we'll say article that objects. We are doing all the things by objects, and dot get. Yeah, the get is just getting one thing out of there. Okay, and we are saying ID will equals to PK. Yeah, we have to, of course, do PK. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Instead of about page, I will change all the things. I'll use the article, the title from here. So H2 article. And the P and the HR and the P and article that content. Yeah, guys, that's the thing. Yeah, what is article? And by the way, we can just also do it with div if you want. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are now dynamic. We can go there, we can go there, we can do it like this. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to work with dynamic content in Django. That's really easy, you know. It's really good, guys. Just use it. Just work on that. Create articles. Just create this detail pages. Just create your blog. You know. Just work on it, and it will be really enjoyable for you. So guys, if you find it useful, I mean, hope it is useful, you can just like the videos and subscribe my channel because our audience is really small. So yeah, that's it, guys. So see you in the next video. That's it.